Hello, everyone, and welcome to another round of Shairana Time with me, Dr. Aman. तो गए हफ्ते संडे को हमने मदर्स डे मनाया एंड हैप्पी मदर्स डे टू ऑल द मदर्स. थोड़ा लेट हो गई हूँ बट ठीक है, एवरी डे इज मदर्स डे. A couple of days after that, I read about Dr. Surjit Singh Patar, a very famous Punjabi poet who passed away. I was reading about him, and while reading about him, I came across a poem that he had written as an ode to his mother, and it was one of his last works. He penned it on 21st of April, and 10-12 days 15-20 days after that he passed away. And his son has said, quote, "This meaningful poem in Punjabi is one of the last works of my father, his heartfelt ode to mother's love." Mother's love is something that it is not comparable to anything else in this world. In fact, parents love as such, right? तो वो कहते हैं कि God could not be everywhere, so he made parents. That's what I say. Though the original quote is mothers everywhere. So when I read that poem, I felt it was very emotional and very intense. So that's when I decided I couldn't stop myself from doing this poetry in this video. So for Mother's Day, maybe it is 6-7 days late, but as an ode to that beautiful poet who wrote this as an ode to his mother, I think no time is late or early. So the title of the poem is "माँ दी बुक्कल विच रब दियां रहमतां." So and the title means that in the embrace of your mother are the blessings of God. And the title itself is very emotional, touching. तो आइए सुनते हैं ये खूबसूरत सी पोइट्री written by Dr. Surjit Singh Patar. माँ दी बुक्कल विच रब दियां रहमतां, यादां दे विच वसे मां, सच दा मार्ग दसे मां. यादां दे विच वसे मां, सच दा मार्ग दसे मां. She is in my memories. Mother is in my memory, and she is the one who guides me to the right path. जद भी मां दा चेता आवे, घुट के सीने नाल लगावे. Every time I miss her, I think of her. She gives me a warm, tight hug. तुर गई मां नैना तो दूर, पर सीने विच उसदा है नूर. She may not be around anymore, but she is the one who shines within me. She is the one who guides me, who is the brightness in my heart and life. ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦੇਣ ਅਸੀਸਾਂ ਮਾਵਾਂ, ਜੁਗ ਜੁਗ ਤੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ. Like a mother is somebody who blesses you forever, and it is her shadow that protects you from the heat and evil in the society or in this world. ਉਮਰ ਦੀ ਰਾਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਠੰਡੜੀ ਛਾਂ, ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਣੀ ਮਿੱਠੜੀ ਮਾਂ. So again, she is the one who protects you. Never forget the sweet love of a mother. ਕਰਮਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਕਰਮਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਹਨ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਉਪਕਾਰ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਤਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. So blessed and lucky are the people who have the blessings of their mother in their life, and nothing is better than respecting and giving her that love. So basically it means that mother is right after God. Mother is the most important person right after God. तो ये बहुत खूबसूरत सी पोएम है, मैं एक बार फिर से पढ़ देती हूँ। माँ दी बुक्कल विच रब दियां रहमतां, यादां दे विच वसे माँ, सच दा मार्ग दसे माँ। जद भी माँ दा चेता आवे, घुट के सीने नाल लगावे। जद भी माँ दा चेता आवे, घुट के सीने नाल लगावे। तुर गई माँ नैना तो दूर, तुर गई माँ नैना तो दूर, पर सीने विच उसदा है नूर। ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਦੇਣ ਅਸੀਸਾਂ ਮਾਵਾਂ, जुग जुग तक ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਛਾਵਾਂ। ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਰਾਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਠੰਡੜੀ ਛਾਂ, ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲਣੀ ਮਿੱਠੜੀ ਮਾਂ। ਕਰਮਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਹਨ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਰਮਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਹਨ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਇਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਮਾਂ ਦਾ ਉਪਕਾਰ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਤਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। This is a beautiful poem which I think, I just hope I've done justice to the poem, reciting it as an ode to Dr. Surjit Singh Patar, who wrote it as an ode to his mother's love. So, Dr. Surjit Singh Patar was a Padma Shri awardee, I think, and I will be doing some of his poems sometime soon. So that's all from me today. Till we meet again, be good and stay safe. Ta-da!